Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guess where I am? I'm here in Maldives. See, welcome to Maldives. I'm here at the Hard Rock Hotel, Maldives. Super init, pero not that much init, but kaya lang. So, ito yung views here. Those are the marina. I called it marina kasi yan. Marina daw tawag dyan. And then, those are the private villas. Meron sila mga pool. They have their own pool that side. So later, pupunta ako sa pool side. Kasi, may bar doon sa pool. Tapos, may music. Sa ngayon, dito muna ako sa shore. I'm walking. Guys, super puti yung sand nila. See? Oh my god. Tapos yung mga coral, mapupulot mo lang siya anywhere. See? So the corals here. So this is Maldives. Ganito kaganda ang Maldives, guys. So, tingnan nyo naman yung water. Super clear siya. And very, very clear talaga. Tsaka yung tubig hindi mainit. They are very cool. Ayan naman, nagtatampis ako sa tubig. Actually, nag-iisa lang ako dito. Kasi natutulog yung kasama. Kasi kalalapag lang namin, galing kaming Bahrain. We just got from Bahrain, tapos dito na kami. Actually, mas malapit to sa Pilipinas. I don't know how many hours it takes from here to Philippines, but this is more here compared to Bahrain. Bahrain has 5 hours flight, so oh my god, sana yung bahay namin. Nakalimutan ko na. Tanga-tanga lang ako. Ayun, kasi may watermelon juice ako dun. Ay, ayun. Masarap dito. Maldives. Hindi pa naman ako nag-sunblock sa face lang. Kaya hindi muna ako magbilad ng mabuti. So enjoy nyo yung view, guys, ha. So ganda. Yan ang view. Yan. Ayun yung Mali. Ayun yung airport that side. Tapos I don't know what they call that. Another island then. Then there's a lot of islands kasi and this one also, it's one of the island. Kaya yan. Ito yung ayan, 63. Ito yung amin, 64. Yan. Ganda, guys. Para lang siyang Pilipinas din. So, ayan daming puno. Thank you for my hat. It's from my friend. And for my Gucci sunglasses. Galing kay Ate Virgin. All the way from London. So, kanina, while I'm eating here, I saw butiki. But I'm not scared naman ng butiki. So, here, kailangan kong left yung sleeper ko kasi sandy siya. And, here I am. Ouch. Rubber bands. So, init. Now, having my fresh watermelon juice. Ayan, guys. So, later ulit, I'm gonna continue my vlog when I'm going to the pool nearby the sea. Ciao! Don't forget to click the notification bell down below and subscribe my channel para ma-update kayo kung anong ginagawa ko. Pero yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys.